Good effort, Joe. No, completely fine.
I've been out here for days, trying to maintain all the pay. The product's been taken.
Did I get you?
You know that my drip is talent. Baby girl says she like talent. Baby girl, wait, can you manage? Bedroom late night balance. Let me specify, can't say. I've been on the field playing games like carters. I've been wanting.
Travis, I've got a question for you. That's your cue to say, oh yeah, what's that?
Oh yeah, what's that?
I've got a bit of lettuce in here already. Of course, I'm gonna have to rewrap it. Look, £1.99 and they can't even get it in the middle of the bloody bit of paper. It looks alright though, doesn't it? So it's about, what would you spend £1.99 on? You could. For f***ing sake. You could buy a burger from buy a cheap one say. Travis, I've got a question for you. 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 Travis, I've got a question for you.
Yeah, what's that?
Forgot the question. What would you spend £1.99 on?
I don't know.
Travis, you could. Yeah.
No, do that again. Oh, do that again.
Never tell a fact that I never stay running. Been on vex, damn, know I got stacks in the lab.
RS3 Kit. You put me on the spot now. RS3 Kit complete.
Get my life, getting this right. Switching and missing the voice of the tight. Washing the thoughts in the back of my mind.
Thanks again. Congratulations. Enjoy it. You never know. You might be back again.
See you soon.
Yeah. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Everyone's just chipping in, getting. Ready? 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 Ready?
Ready?
Ready? Yep. Everyone. Ready? Not ready. Everyone.
It says he's ready. He's not ready.
Ready?
Ready?
Let's go and see his reaction. Ready? Ready?
That was lovely stuff, man.
Thanks, mate. So, someone is about to win the Ferrari 488 GTB plus £5,000. Let's see who that lucky person is. Good luck. 162654. We have a winner first time. So, Greg Godfrey, you have just won that Ferrari 488 GTB plus £5,000 tax-free cash. If you are watching the live draw right now, Greg, that is your car that is over there right now. Hello, is this Greg?
Yeah.
Greg, you have literally just won that Ferrari plus £5,000.
No way.
Yes way. Congratulations, mate. Well done.
No way.
Yes way.
Oh my god. Thanks so much.
You're very welcome. How many entries did you have? Can you remember?
3.
3 entries. £2.97 has just won you that Ferrari plus £5,000. There we go. How are you, Greg? You alright?
Yeah.
This is your new Ferrari 488 GTB plus £5,000 cash. That is now your car. There we go, guys. So, very shocked Greg, for £2.97 free entries, has just won that Ferrari 488 GTB plus £5,000 tax-free cash.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt.
That's it, after an hour's plane journey from Glasgow to Stansted, trains are all cancelled, so Uber from Stansted to here. Never thought it would be a 7-day performance to pick up a car, never mind picking up a Ferrari. This is unreal. Bring it on.
Does it feel real yet?
No, actually I've been so excited for days.
Yeah, I can imagine. I had a look on your account, you've been playing since 2020.
Has it been that long, yeah?
Yeah, so a couple of years. Is this your first win?
Yeah.
It is your first win.
I always play for supercars and Nissan GTRs, so I never actually thought I'd win, but you just look at it and go 99p, a few tickets with that, you never know, so here it is.
You bought 5 tickets on Friday, so it cost £4.95 this one.
Cheapest car I'll ever buy.
What a win. It's actually our biggest ever prize as well to date.
We've
been going 4 years. And this is our biggest ever prize. Were you sceptical, or did that kind of give?
No, I've always watched the videos and that and seen people coming and collecting their cars, so
yeah.
I never thought they'd nail it, but it was all good.
Yeah, awesome. Let's show you your car then.
It's unreal, man, unreal.
What's your first thoughts?
It's even better in person than it is in the picture.
Who was the first person you told?
Well, my missus was sitting next to me, so she heard straight away, and then I phoned my brother, I phoned my sister, my dad. Everybody literally went through my phone book, just phoned everybody.
Did they believe you?
I actually did straight away,
Nice. And here's your key to your £4.95 Ferrari. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you. My name's Greg Godfrey. I just won a Ferrari through 7-day performance for £4.96.
Can you describe the feeling of winning 7 days?
It's unbelievable. Never thought it was going to happen, but here I am. Got to be in it to win it.